That no make the sin any lighter. This is his past coming back for haunt him. Your father figure was a part of a major drug ring back in the day that took the lives of 5, let me say it again, 5 major sleeper agents and sent 2 to prison. Now I'm recruiting criminals in an agency that is supposed to have trained law enforcers in it. Oh, what could I go, sir?
You know how many lives Mr. Mullins saved with this same program you're talking about? You know how rigid the system is. Not for the youth that were in the agency where the well wouldn't stand a chance to get in.
Aha! Progress! So you're admitting that Mullins has been taking shortcuts in this agency?
You need to stop doing this. You know that Mr. Mullins is the most capable person to run this agency.
Capable? And he's missing? You see, I understand capable in a different way. Mullins must go, and all on with him.
And I guess your father will assume the position right after you shoot him out, right?
My father is too old for this agency. This agency needs a young, fresh mind.
And that would be you, right? You want to move forward with the agency here? Make us start by catching the person or the persons involved in the kidnapping of this girl.
But that's what I'm doing. I have a prime suspect in custody.
Custody? Not custody. You can't arrest me. A blouse in my car is not substantial evidence.
Correction. A blouse with the victim's blood on it.
Good luck with building a case. Because in my defense, I will just request prints being run on the blouse. And if that don't happen, I'll just tell them that the evidence was tampered with by your office. You never think it all the way through. Not true. Not as bright as you think you are, not true. Sister, you're not ready for this yet, boy. Just admit, Mr. Mullins is the man for the job.
It's my tool. In Obiamano, in Tayo, where did this blind loyalty come from?
It don't make sense me even explain to you. Because you wouldn't even understand the first thing about loyalty, even if it make you know your face.
You know, there's such a thing as misplaced loyalty. Sad. You are loyal to a man who got rid of your father and then tried to replace your father with himself in your life. Now make it make sense.
Don't ever refer to my father's name in any conversation we have. That off limits to you. In making decision and in pay the price. He never hold it against Mullins. So you shut your mouth. What are you going to do?
Let me tell you what you are going to do. You're going to leave your badge and your gun right down at the armory. And you will not do anything resembling not even the distant cousin of agency work until this investigation is done. And if you do, or even dream of it, I'll have every media house, every news network list you as a suspect in that girl's kidnapping. You will be abandoned and blacklisted.
carry them by the armory.
One down, couple more to go, and then the head of the snake